Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock overview videos. Today we'll talk about conversion path report. This is a sort of inside Discovery tools that help you see how your visitors or customers or people who click add to cart interact with different ads on their journey to becoming your paying customers. So let's go into your RedTrack Unlock account. This one we're using has slightly more ways to slice and dice this data. We'll focus on the ones that you will see in your account. So go to conversion path report, then pick up the web property, pick up the conversion event, and then, for example, do it by RT source plus RT campaign parameter that mixes the UTMs from the source like Facebook, Google, etc., and UTM campaign that's basically a human readable campaign name. And then pick up the data period and look back period. That's for the period that will take purchase data from, and that's the period that will take click data from. Now click apply. Of course, this is the sandbox account, so the data would not be as meaningful as in live environment, but still you can see how it works. So 5 purchases, I mean that's the same person testing resulted in this path. Facebook, TikTok, Google, Facebook, TikTok, referral entry. And then another person did just multiple clicks through Google. And so you can see how different campaigns contribute to getting the desired result you want. So this was a conversion path report for RedTrack Unlock. Thank you.